Hey friends, if you wish to fix Omegle connecting to server, is Omegle down, then please watch this video. So the first solution is obviously to check the Omegle server status. Just check Omegle server status or is Omegle down. And if it mentions, obviously in Bing, we don't have this option in Google anymore. If it just mentions that user indicates the user reports indicate no current problems at Omegle, then everything is good. The next one is to check your internet connection. Go to fast.com and hit enter. Okay, and check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? Now we have many options like clear cache and all of that, but I'll give you one solution that will do it all. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced network settings, click on network reset, select reset now, and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.